There are so many different recipes for banana bread out there, and they create loaves that vary quite a bit in color, size, shape, texture, and of course flavor. My goal for this homemade banana bread recipe was to create a loaf that was super soft and moist, had a really good pronounced banana flavor. The loaf had to rise to a nice domed shape, not be a flat brick, and did not get too over-browned. It took a combination of ingredients and techniques, but we finally got the perfect loaf of banana bread. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons salted butter, room temperature, a 1/4 cup cooking oil, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1.5 cups mashed ripe bananas, about 3 to 4 bananas, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 tsp ground nutmeg, 1/4 tsp cinnamon, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, optional. How to make banana bread. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 4 tablespoons of room temperature salted butter, a 1/4 cup cooking oil, 1/2 cup white sugar, and 1/2 cup brown sugar to a mixing bowl. 2. Use a hand mixer or stand mixer to cream the butter, sugars, and oil together until it looks light and creamy. 3. Mash 3 to 4 bananas, or until you have 1.5 cups of mashed banana. 4. Add the mashed banana, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract to the bowl with the creamed butter and sugar. Use the mixer to mix the ingredients together until smooth. 5. In a separate bowl, stir together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon until well combined. Pour the flour mixture into the bowl with the wet ingredients, and then fold them together just until they form a wet batter. Do not overmix. 6. Add 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts to the batter and fold briefly to combine. 7. Grease a standard 8.5x 4.5 bread pan. Pour the batter into the pan and then spread it out evenly. 8. Bake the bread for 60 minutes or until golden brown on top, cracked in the middle, and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the bread to cool for about 5 minutes in the pan, then gently remove it from the pan and allow it to finish cooling on a wire rack. 9. Once cooled, slice the banana bread and enjoy.